my name's Fiona and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. This has just arrived and I couldn't wait to open it, so I've decided to do the video now because I couldn't wait any longer. So this is a pre-order that I had from Diamond Art Club. So let's get into this box. There we go. We don't need that. We have two kits in here. Let's do this one first. Let's put that to one side. So what do we have? We have Storytime by Amy Brown, which is this lovely purple dragon. This is a round. It is 56 centimeters by 71 centimeters. It does come with ABs. So let's get into this box. So let's open this. So we have our sticker. So here we have our toolkit. This is a round toolkit. Okay. In a round toolkit you will get the blue drill hen, you will get squishy or pen grip to go on your drill pen. We get a 4, so we've got our 4 multi-placer. You have your 2 plates of heart-shaped wax. That is the good wax. I love that wax. You get in this one a lot of spare baggies. And then lastly but not least, you get your clear drill tray. So that is what you get in your round toolkit. So then we have our little sticker that you get in your boxes. This has a couple of different uses. You can do as it suggests and use it in your logbook. Personally, I use them for storage purposes. I don't have a lot of storage options, so I stack mine up this way and then put this on the end here so I can easily identify the painting when I'm wanting to find it later on. So here is our canvas. All of Diamond Art Club's canvases come in this polythene bag. That helps to protect your canvas from any dust, dirt or pet fur. So let's get into this. Yeah, so we've got it right way up straight the way. Ooh, look how pretty that is. I'm loving this. There are our drills for later on. Diamond Art Club's canvases are self-flattening, so that if you leave them on your work surface for 10-15 minutes or so, they will flatten on their own. If you want to speed that process up, then you can roll them backwards like this, but only do that with your poured glue canvases. If you do that with your double-sided adhesive canvas, you will damage it. So here we have Storytime by Amy Brown. I love dragons and anything mystical and magical, and as you probably know by now, purple is my favourite colour, so it has in it all the things that I love. So with Diamond Art Club's canvases, the top of the canvas has the scalloped edges, and it is, as you can see, it is serged as well. That will stop your canvas from fraying. That is something you may have noticed from other companies where they haven't serged the top and the sides of your canvas. Then you have the slogan, do what makes you sparkle. You have a copy of your legend on the top left, and again on the bottom right. Then down in the bottom left hand corner, I'll get that back a moment, you get a copy of the image that you're about to diamond paint. And then you get the SKU number, that's mainly for the company's reference purpose. Then you have the name of the painting, story time, the dimensions, so 22 by 28 inches, or in centimetres, that's 56 centimetres by 71. And then the trademark and licensing, Amy Brown by Diamond Dark Club. Then here you have the ability to have your works in progress featured on their social media pages. Just use the hashtag Diamond Dark Club, and you can feature your work on their Facebook page or Instagram account. And then lastly, on the bottom right side of your canvas, you have the lifetime warranty. Your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection. So if you kit up your diamond painting and you accidentally knock over a container of drills, or your pets do, and they end up getting all mixed up on the floor, and you think to yourself, how am I ever going to sort them out? And it's, yeah, we've all been there at some point. So if that happens, just contact them at support team at Diamond Dark Club, and they'll get that sorted out for you. Just look at how pretty this is. I know I've said it already, but I love this. The shading in it is going to be beautiful. Let's get you into the drill field. Not that I'm expecting any problems. Come on, zoom in. And as I've said before, I don't particularly care for round diamond paintings. I only ever buy a round diamond painting if it's an image I absolutely love. Mainly because I find rounds more difficult to do personally, which I know is unusual because most people say that they find them the easiest and squares really difficult in comparison. But for me, I love doing squares. I find them really easy and satisfying. So rarely do I buy a round kit. It would have to be something like this where I absolutely love it. So where is our drill field? Let's zoom you out. Here we have our step-by-step diamond painting instructions. So you may not need these, most likely not, unless you've not diamond painted before or you've been given this as a gift. That way it will be useful for you in those situations. It will give you the 9 steps of how to diamond paint from opening your kit to hanging up your finished masterpiece. Here you have your inventory sheet or schematic. I've heard it referred to both ways. So on here, this is their updated one where these have all been perforated already and you can just peel them off individually like so. So it makes kitting up a lot quicker and easier. So again, you will have the name of your diamond painting story time, name of the artist Amy Brown, the ability to put in your start date and end date, a larger copy of the image, the diamond shape and painting size. This section of this schematic is what I would use in a logbook if I kept a logbook. I think it would serve that purpose better because it's a better size and you already have the ability to add in your start and end date. So I'd use that instead of this for a logbook personally. In this painting we have 35 colours, which I wasn't expecting there to be like 50 or 60 because it is all mainly purples and tans. In this kit we have 3 ABs. We have 125, 126 and 141. So there is our schematic, and here are our drills. Just look at how beautiful and pretty those are. I just love this colour palette. So let's get into these. Now, which side is the opening? Here we go. Okay, so let's do the strip with the smaller quantities in first. So we have, let's position you a bit better. So we have 37.46. We have 4.36. 38.60. 8.69, my favourite purple shade, 5.50, and then we have 1.55, so we go from the dark purple to the lavender shade. We've got this nice mint green, which is our 7.75, 4.22, 38.34, 38.37, 38.28. Our first AB, which is our 125. If you've not done painted before, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That's an iridescent coating that's applied to your drills. It gives them that extra sparkle and shimmer that you're able to see. And that's our 125. We've got 841, 451, 38.64. 4.53, 4.52, 3 bags of 9.51, which is your peachy colour. And to the next strip. That's the same. And then we have these two small strips, this very small strip of 6.40 and 4.34. And here is our last strip. So we have this lovely purple, which is our 208. We've got 4.20, 9.38, which is a darkish brown. Am I doing the wrong? We have our second AB, which, yeah, they are different colours. I was thinking that they were exactly the same. That's kind of a real pale mint green, that 125. So this is our second AB. This is 141. 3.27. Nice medium purple. 38.61, 209, 38.36, 38.35, 210, 2 bags of 210. Then we have 2 bags of 7.38. We have our third AB. This is a nice lilac shade, which is our 126. I love that. Then we have our glow in the dark. I forgot about this because they didn't list it at the top. Number 35 is glow in the dark 310. So that we'll see where that goes once we've gone through the colours. Then we have 2 bags of 37.70, and then lastly, hold on. No, it's not the same. I'm getting a bit mixed up here. And then finally we have 3 bags of 7.39. So that's all of our drills back into the bag. let's put those two on the side for now, and let's have a look at the ABs in this kit. This kit does have in it 3 ABs. It has 125, 126 and 141, and it has one glow in the dark drill, which is a 310 drill, which is our number 35. So first off, let's see where those ABs are, shall we? Let's start at the top. Okay, let's see what we can see. So we do have some ABs in the dragon's ears. That's our number 1 AB here. We have a couple of number 2s. A lot more of the 2 in the head of the dragon. A lot of number 1 in the wings. In fact, in the wings you've got a mixture of all 3 of the ABs, starting from the 1, working out into 2 and 3 as you get to the tips. And then you have some more of the ABs in the dragon's neck and chest. And then going down the front here, goodness. And then we have quite a bit of the 2, which is 126 all throughout the tail. The AB that's most heavily featured in this is the 126, which is represented by number 2 on our canvas. And then lastly, the glow in the dark drill goes all around the outline of the dragon, starting from the tip of her nose all the way around her ears, down her neck, up her wings, around her body, around her tail, then back up to the top again. So the outline of her body is completely glow in the dark drills, which is going to make that painting really pop once it's completed. So this has been Story Time by AB Brown. I have thoroughly enjoyed showing you this kit. I hope you have enjoyed looking at it as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you. If you like this video, then please do give this video a like. If you would like to see more content like this and you're not already subscribed, then please click on the subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, however, then please do make sure you have your notifications bell turned on. That way you will get a notification of when I upload another video. With that said, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see all of you next time. Bye!